Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change your name on your Amazon account. This is particularly useful if you've recently changed your name, need to update your account for professional reasons, or simply want to correct any errors. Let's get right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account with your credentials. Make sure you're signed in successfully before moving to the next step. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see Account and Lists in the menu bar. Hover your mouse over Account and Lists and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Account. This takes you to your main account settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Amazon profile. Once you're on the account page, look for the option that says Login and Security and click on it. This section contains all your security settings and personal information tied to your account, including your name, email, and password details. At this point, Amazon might prompt you for extra verification. If you see a password request, enter your password and click Sign In. This is a security measure to ensure that only you can make changes to sensitive account information. Now that you're in the Login and Security section, look for Name. Right beside it, you'll see an Edit button. Click on that Edit button to begin modifying your name. A text field will appear with your current name displayed. Delete the current name completely and enter your new name exactly as you want it to appear on your Amazon account. Make sure the spelling is correct, as this is the name that will be used for deliveries and correspondence. Finally, click Save Changes to confirm your update. Amazon will process the change and your new name will now be reflected across your account. And that's it. You've successfully updated your name on Amazon, and your account will now display the new information you entered. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.